Wagwan everybody, and welcome you to my channel. I go by the name of 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗲. And in this video today, I'm gonna be installing this wig right here. So let me just start out by thanking Myfirstwig for sponsoring this video. And in the package, I received these goodies. And the wig that I'm gonna be working with today is a 20-inch 13x6 frontal wig with the density of 130, and you also can choose different density if you want, but this is the lowest of the density, and I think it goes up to, you know what, I'm not gonna even look, but yeah, you can increase the density when it comes to the fullness. So it is pre-everything, as in pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and pre-plucked hairline. So you don't have to worry about doing nothing right there because everything is provided. You understand me? And the lace is HD. And inside the wig you have combs and 2 adjustable straps. So what I'm going to be doing today is an easy installment when it comes to a frontal, because normally when I'm doing a frontal I have to do everything to it when it comes to the melting part. But my first wig is definitely a wig that you can say is a starter, as in you don't have to do nothing to it. So for a beginner, this is definitely a wig you want to try because you don't have to worry about nothing. Like I said before, I feel like I repeat myself, but oh well, yes. And I also did not do any baby hair because the baby hair part is time consuming. Anyway, let us just jump right into it. I made the girl just show you, she slap it up and done with it. Yes. So what I'm gonna do right now is put it on without doing nothing to it and see how it looks. So no foundation or nothing. So what I'm gonna do right now is cut off the excess lace that is not needed, and I don't think I'm gonna touch the front, just the side, like cutting it and fit it to my ears. So let's do it. It's a little thin though, it's very thin. So the only thing that I use so far is the hairspray. I don't use no foundation on the lace. Different from that, no plucking, and look how nicely the lace melts on the skin. And I don't like do that extra melting, like using the melting spray or the headband. So what I'm gonna do right now is just press it out and lay the top. I'm gonna work with the center part. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So before I press it out, I'm going to show you the parting space. So very short at the side, like you don't really have a lot of parting space at the side, but when you get up to the middle, it is doing the job perfectly fine. So you can get the details of the deep parts. Yeah, it middle my head. So with the hair, I don't have to go through it like row by row because I don't want it to be too silky like bone straight, because the hair is on the thinner side, so I don't want it too flat. So I'm not gonna like give it a proper pursuit. The part messed up. Get it back. Love, love, love the parting space. I'm gonna put some concealer on the part. Come on, normal part it's straight and now looks so straight over yourself, so let me do that. So I think because I have the stocking cap right there, why it's looking like that, because it's straight. And they also have like a double stitch off here, so that's the reason. Now I cut myself. And we are done. Yes, this is a completed look, and I can say that I kind of love it. You know, I'm not gonna say I'm all the way into it because of the density, but different from the density of it, the wig construction is on point. Like when it comes to the making of it, I love it. Right, it is covering my trouble area. Not only that, like it comes all the way down, and this was supposed to be a glueless installment, but it wasn't working for me, so I had to do a local spray, and I did not do a lot with the spray. So, and this is it not being melted down with no melting spray or, you know, the egg band thing, none of that. So look at the lace, like the HD up in your face, and it's like also invisible. And I did not add no product to it, as saying foundation, and that is always a good thing, right? Because look at it, it blends nicely, and if you have a little peak, it will cover it. And the thing is, you know, I didn't want to do no cutting to it, as in like recut the edges. And I tell you, the hairline is fully on point. What I love the most about this hair, I just said this wig, is the hairline and the lace. Like it's giving. With the density of it, no, not for me. I know I'm gonna add some hair to it. Other than that, I like it. Yeah, I should use the word like. I'm not gonna use the word love, as in like, yeah, I'm a shit, yeah. Oh, also the parting space too, like it gets in the deepest of the deep part, like bust down middle parts, right? The texture of it is very nice, very silky, to the point that I did not do it row by row to get it bone straight. No, if I did that, well, I mean, I feel like I'm gonna have no ear upon my head, and that can't work. You get what I'm saying? So when you really think about it, when it comes to putting on a wig, you don't have to do all of the excitement. As long as it's laid properly, you don't need nothing more than that. Cause you see that I only use and my tools them, and I hit that. Nothing more, nothing less. That's it. But anyway, guys, if you are interested in this wig, I will link all the information down below. It will be a direct link, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos.
No separation, need no conversation, nah, nah, nah. On everything, it's automatic, going 0 to 100, nah, nah. Like you heard me, only serve it up if you deserve